Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Okay, let's start. So first of all, we need to remove this one to open it. Here it is. Okay, let's start with the phone first. And it comes in a pretty nice design. This is how it looks like here. Pretty nice. 3 cams. The volume keys here on the side. On top, we're having here a microphone and the SIM tray, and below we are having here the USB Type-C. We have a speaker and we have 2 microphones. At the SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card also a second SIM card if you want, or a micro SD card. Okay, let's have a look what we are having else in the box. So a bit hidden in the cover we have another little white box with the SIM ejection tool, and if you open the box, yeah, a USB Type-C cable, so USB Type-C to USB Type-C. No? So you need a power charging adapter which one supports USB Type-C. And yeah, there's no power charging adapter here directly in that box, and there's no headset in the box, no case, no film to protect the screen and so on. You have to buy it by your own. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. What's included here at the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Enjoy this phone. I will make in the next days some more videos about some more tutorials and tips and tricks videos and so on. If you don't want to miss it, just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.